Today I'm going to show you how to insert a watermark in Microsoft Word in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to protect your document, add branding, mark something as confidential, or simply give your pages a more professional look. If you create reports, drafts, business documents, or school files, knowing how to add a watermark can save you a lot of time and help your documents stand out. Before we begin, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tips and tricks. Alright, let's jump right in. To add a watermark, first open your document in Microsoft Word. Once your file is open, look at the top ribbon and click the Design tab. This is where Microsoft Word keeps many of the formatting tools related to the appearance of your document. After clicking Design, go to the Page Background group. Here you'll see the watermark option. Click Watermark and Word will show you several pre-designed watermark choices. These are ready-made options you can apply instantly, such as faded text watermarks that can help label your document as confidential, urgent, or draft. If one of the built-in options works for you, simply select it and it will appear across your document automatically. It's a fast and easy way to add a watermark without needing any extra formatting. Now, if you want something more personalized, Word also lets you create a custom watermark. To do that, go back to the watermark menu and choose Custom Watermark. This is the option you'll want if you need specific text, a company name, a project label, or even an image watermark like a logo. In the custom watermark settings, you can choose between a text watermark and a picture watermark, depending on what you need. If you select text, you can type in your own wording and adjust things like font, color, size, layout, and whether the watermark appears diagonally or horizontally. If you choose a picture watermark, you can insert an image from your computer and have it displayed faintly in the background of your pages. That's perfect for logos or branded documents. Once you've made your selections, click Apply or OK, and the watermark will be added to your document. You can then scroll through your pages to check how it looks and make sure it appears the way you want. If you ever need to remove the watermark later, you can return to the Design tab, click Watermark again, and choose Remove Watermark. That's useful if you only needed it temporarily for a draft or a review version. So to recap, the process is very simple. Go to Design, click Watermark in the Page Background group, choose a preset watermark or create a custom one, and apply it to your document. This is one of those small Microsoft Word features that can make a big difference in how your document looks and how it's used. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Microsoft Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.